Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable Windows automatic update permanently. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are quite a number of ways you can use to disable automatic update on your Windows. You can use the group policy approach, you can use minimize disruption, and you can also use pause update. Pausing update on your PC is going to be temporary, but to permanently turn off or disable Windows automatic update on your PC, you need to go through the policy group. Now this is what you need to do. First, press Windows plus R button to open the run command. Now type this command. After that, click on the OK button. Now, once you have the local group policy editor opens, you want to go ahead and click on Computer Configuration to expand it. Under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Template. Now, once you expanded Administrative Template, you want to go ahead and expand Windows Component. Now, once you expanded Windows Component, you want to scroll down until you get to Windows Update. So just scroll down until you get to Windows Update, like this. Now, once you can find the Windows Update, what you want to do next is you want to expand it as well. Then double click Manage Update offered from Windows Server Update Service. Then locate Automatic Update Detection Frequency and then double click. Then you should see a new pop-up. Under Automatic Update Detection Frequency, set it to Disable. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Now go ahead and restart your PC. Afterward, your PC will no longer get an update from Windows. So that is exactly how to disable Windows automatic update on Windows 10 or Windows 11 permanently. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.